in the year, I made a video all about my Apple Watch Series 7 that is on my wrist currently. I made a video about this because I was honestly at a point where I was frustrated with this watch. Me and this watch have been living together for about 2 years now, and she's not a bad watch. It's just the fact that it has an awful color that I absolutely despise, and the fact that sometimes the touchscreen will literally not work on this Apple Watch. Sometimes notifications will literally not pop up on this watch. There have just been so many little tiny instances of this Apple Watch not doing its Apple Watch duty that made me really consider, do I get a new Apple Watch or do I not get a new Apple Watch? So I decided, as a little bit of a treat to myself, because I've been doing so well on this YouTube channel, which by the way, thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my recent videos. I really do appreciate it. I decided to go to the Apple store and buy an Apple Watch. So let's unbox this watch together. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hello Internet, how are you doing? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and today we are finally unboxing my Apple Watch Series 10. I am so freaking excited. I've been wanting this watch ever since it came out in September. I got the iPhone 16 Pro last September, and we love her so much, specifically because she is in the absolutely gorgeous color of space black. We love space black so much. The Apple Watch I've been using for the past 2 years is in Starlight, which, no, like gross trash. So I finally have a jet black Apple Watch Series 10, 46mm. I really wanted the jet black iPhone 7. Do you guys remember the jet black iPhone 7? It was the most gorgeous iPhone to ever exist, and I never got one. But today we are reliving that experience by getting a jet black Apple Watch. So because I bought this from the Apple store, they put on some stickers on here, so I have to peel off these stickers first. Well, they come off so nice. Wow. Now we officially have our normal Apple Watch box, and as you can tell, she's gorgeous. She is very, very skinny as well. I have not had a new Apple Watch in about 3 years, so I'm very, very excited to open up an Apple Watch. So let's do it together. Let us open up our little pull tabs. We're gonna open up this pull tab right here. Ooh, and then we're gonna open up this pull tab right here as well. And, oh, girl. Oh, and okay, let's see this. Let's do this. Ooh, okay, and they put it up upside down. And they put the freaking stuff in my box upside down. The experience is ruined, Apple. So this is how it should be. Okay, so we're gonna repackage her up. Open up like this, and it's supposed to open up like this right here, so like you get this experience. And look at the way you open up an Apple Watch box. It is so aesthetically pleasing. I love Apple Watch boxes. We have this little sleeve right here, which we will throw off to the side. I absolutely love the packaging on the inside. Look how cute that is. And then we have 2 boxes to open up. We actually have the Apple Watch itself right here, and then we actually have a stone gray Apple Watch band. I never had the stone gray watch band before, and I'm really excited for it because it looks really cool and really gorgeous. So here it is. So we have our 2 components. Let's open these guys up. So here is the Apple Watch box, and it is so freaking skinny and so tiny. Like this box right here is $430. And we are going to open up our little pull tabs. Oh, I love that sound so much. Oh, I love that sound so much. So let's get a beautiful static shot. And here it is. Here's how this looks right here. Here is our lovely, lovely little Apple Watch right there. So let's get the Apple Watch out first. It looks a lot bigger than I thought it was. So here it is. Here is the 46mm watch. I have to take it out of the sleeve, but this is very skinny and very small. But it's also big too, which doesn't really make much sense. So let's get it out of the sleeve. So I guess you can have to like pop it up or something. How do I get this out? Okay. I'm trying to like shut. Okay, there it is. Beautiful. I turned it on. I accidentally turned it on. Turn off. Turn off. We're not ready for you yet. Here it is. This is absolutely beautiful. I am absolutely obsessed with this. This is gorgeous. This right here is a $430 wrist computer, and it's beautiful. It is gorgeous because it literally is like just a really beautiful slick black material. And we're gonna open up this. And this is the charger. So this is supposed to be a really fast charger, which is nice. So here is the charger right there. Oh, well, I didn't really mean to do that. There it is. So that's nice. It's a nice charger. It's braided now, which is really nice. So they now have a braided Apple Watch cord, which is quite nice. Here's my charger. They don't give you a brick anymore because f you. Wow. There's literally one singular paper in this sleeve. One paper. Thanks, Apple. And that is literally everything that's in the box. So now we're gonna open up our watch band. The sun is setting and my lighting is getting worse, so we need to wrap up this unboxing a little bit faster, but here is our Apple Watch band. So we have a little bit of a pull tab right here. Do that. Open this up, and here it is. Ooh, okay. So we got this little thing right there. And paperwork here, whatever. Watch band. Here she is. Oh my god, wait, they got rid of the extra band. So I remember a very long time ago, they usually gave you a separate one of these bands, like a larger and smaller one. So now apparently you only get one because Apple's being cheap. Here it is. Okay, and here is the stone gray Apple thing. So we're going to now put this on our watch. So we have our two pieces right here, and we will slide this in for you. Ooh. Nice. Like this. Okay, here it is. Here's my watch. She is gorgeous. So here is my new Apple Watch, and here's the old Apple Watch. Ugly Apple Watch, gorgeous Apple Watch. Love, 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 love. We love her. So let's get into actually turning on this Apple Watch. So let's turn her on for the first time because we actually didn't turn her on before. I don't know what you guys are talking about. So let's turn her on. Let's see, there's a logo. There we go. Here she is. She's turning on for the first time. So we are going to set this Apple Watch up using my personal phone. If you don't know why I have a personal phone and a social media phone, you need to watch some of my TikToks because I explained it. Okay, bring Apple Watch near phone. So set up Apple Watch. So it's going to hit continue. Set up Apple Watch. So we are going to set this up for myself. Set up for myself. It's got like this little thing. So we gotta kind of like do this. You can restore from backup or set up as a new watch. I guess we'll restore from backup, I guess. Currently paired, update required. Okay, so we're just gonna set this up as a new watch. Set up as a new watch. Put this on my wrist right now. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. I love how this looks. I love the gray. Apple Watch passcode, so we should probably do that. Don't look at my passcode. All right, bold text. So we're just going to keep it like this. And there's double taps. I never had double tap on my Apple Watch before. So this is something where you can double tap and like select information and stuff like that. So we're gonna hit continue. But this watch is gorgeous. Like I love how this looks. It is so beautiful. It's so skinny on the wrist too, which is so nice. So we have some lights now, which is great. Welcome to Apple Watch. Yes, hit done. Okay, and here she is. So it's saying welcome to Apple Watch on my wrist, and here she is. Here is my new watch. She is gorgeous. So yes, my Apple Watch is now set up. Let's go over to my desk now. We're gonna do some comparison shots. I want to do some aesthetically pleasing shots, so we're gonna do that. Here is how the watch looks up close and personal with the flash on. It's very shiny and very gorgeous looking. I'm absolutely obsessed. Look at this. Welcome to my desk, my very, very awkward angles of my Apple Watch. This is very hard to do. I don't know how people do watch reviews because like I literally have to like hold my wrist like this. So here she is, and I absolutely love this watch face, and this combo is just beautiful. So yeah, isn't this so freaking cute? Love it. Here is my old Apple Watch. As you can see, she has seen some brighter days, and the days are not very bright for her. So here is the differences between it. As you can see, the screen does look a lot bigger. So here we go. Here's everything, and you can see it's definitely a bigger screen, which is quite nice. So if I go into things like weather, kind of see the differences. So yeah, I think the bezels are a little bit smaller in my old watch versus the new watch. The screen just seems nicer. It seems a lot bigger and a lot crispier, and as you can see, the angles on here are so nice. This is such a nicer watch right here. So as you can see, the watch is definitely skinnier. It's a lot skinnier, and here's the back of it. You can see I already got my grease on and everything. And then here is the side of it. Very nice. Kind of like this. I'm trying not to like get these all scratched up. Show that, show that. Gorgeous. I absolutely love this. So let's get some aesthetically pleasing shots of it. So this is a very, very, very nice watch. I'm gonna show you guys some of, I believe some of the new features that are on this watch. So I don't know how double tap works, but apparently if I do this action, oh wow, that's really cool. If I do this, that is so freaking cool. I like that a lot. That can actually be really helpful if I might get like a phone call or something and like I have something in my hands. I also know another new feature on this Apple Watch is the fact that you can play music through the speaker. So let's try that. I was trying to play it through my phone speaker. Oh my god, it's playing through the freaking speakers. Dude, that is so freaking cool. That is sick how it plays it directly through the freaking speaker of the watch. I love that. That is so cool. So that's, I think, everything that's new with this Apple Watch. Oh, there's depth. So now there's a depth app, which is kind of cool. You gotta put this watch in water and you can record your depth, which is kind of cool, I guess. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that is new with this Apple Watch. So we're gonna change the watch face because while this Apple Watch face does look cute, it's not really my style. So let's change the watch face. Okay, I think this one eats circular. or you can do full screen, and we can do complications. So I can do that one. So here is my new watch face, which is so pretty. Here is my brand new Apple Watch. Yeah. All right, guys, that was pretty much it for my Apple Watch Series 10 unboxing. Here is my final watch face. I have this kind of reflections face on it. It's really hard to see, but I showed you guys back there. I'm obsessed with this watch. It looks gorgeous. It really just goes well with my 16 Pro Max. Look at this. You guys are meant to be together. So let's take a picture with them together. Smile. And it still looks absolutely gorgeous with my iPhone 16 Pro as well. So yeah. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Again, thank you guys just so much for supporting this channel and everything. Without you guys, I definitely wouldn't be getting this Apple Watch today, so I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.